All right, you can see here a nice canvas, and it's a green color bamboo slices canvas, traditional handmade DIY painting canvas. Okay, all right. In the ground, I'm just putting some black colors here to show the ground. Okay, so you can see the difference of the color variations. So black is going to be in the soil here on the ground. Okay, and the taller trees you can see just drawing here two strokes, very simple, and the branches like this, other branches. So there's the characteristics of the taller trees. You can see it's looking nice. Okay, so details are going to be by the dissolves of the water. When the color dissolves, it becomes little bit details automatically. Okay, so it's between like the the watercolor and the acrylic painting. Okay, so that's on the background. You can see a tree here. Okay, all right. For the the separations of the water level, sky level, just putting some black colors around the horizon. Horizon, putting the green color here for the the villages which can be seen in a far distance. Some taller trees you can see on the villages here. Okay, with the black color we're just doing the graphics of the taller trees. Awesome. Also putting little bit color at the bottom of the ground, just showing the deep dark color and something on the top. mm Okay, so there's the beauty of the drawing. The combinations of colors defines the presentations very nicely. Okay, now one more thing is left. That's a a boat on the ground here. So we're going to draw the boat. Let's see what color. Maybe the dark navy blue color here. All right, so there's the boat. You can see the color and the reflections over the water. And the sailboat. Okay, sailboat. All right, so that's the abstract drawing. If you like to add more flavor here, just you're going to put a the borders with the black color, so that you can have a clear idea. So putting the black colors for the borders. Some hatches on the water to make it a more realistic one. Awesome. So very simple, nice and easy. So this painting is going to be more better when the canvas dry up. So it's still wet, but you can see the picture in a far distance looking good. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, sometimes the reflections make the drawing little bit hard to read, but you can see its appearance. Very simple drawing, and you can practice it at home. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.